Eyes so green, you swear that gardens growing in them. And how I'd wish to be among the vegetation. Break my back to harvest even your candid fleeting glances. Getting lost for hours, tangled in your branches. I want for nothing but the flora budding freely, to lay beneath the gorgeous willow trees are weeping. There must be something in the water, there must be something in the sunshine to put that color in your eyes. There must be something in the water, there must be something in the sunshine to put that color in your eyes. Eyes so green you'd swear there's gardens growing in them. And I give all my best years for their conservation.